If you're looking for a great infrared thermometer with a Type K probe, you're absolutely going to love this right here. This is exactly what it looks like right here. This is how it comes. So this piece will come on just like this. What you're going to do is you're going to take that off. It comes with a battery. You're just going to connect your battery just like that. It also comes with this probe right here. You're going to take that and you're going to just put it right in here just like this. So super, super easy. So now you could use this for cooking or whatever you want. So to get this going right here, you're just gonna hold down right over here, and then you'll see this is getting going right here. So you'll put this to my hand, you'll see it's getting to 84 right there. We get this Windex bottle right here. You'll see this is a lot cooler, so it's going down like that. If I took this closer with my lights in front of me, but this works really good. So if you're looking for a great way to get the temperature, super easy to use, definitely check this out. And thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this for you.